Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I was having a little play with the page tabs. Now these are what I did my last video on. So this is my new digital kit in my Etsy shop. So we were cutting them out and showing you the different pictures and flowers that we've got on there. So I thought I would have a quick play and try and embellish them. So what I've done, I've popped some little dingly danglies on them. So you know how I love my dingly danglies. And I thought they looked really pretty. So I've also been coffee staining some postcards, and they've come out absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be using these as well to show you what I've been doing. So just pretend this is a book page, and what you do, you just pop them on here if I can, like that. So anywhere they go, and they just dangle down like that. So I think they look really, really pretty. And this one, I've actually popped a little heart punch here. I've got this lovely little heart punch that I was given, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So it gives you a little heart on there. I've just popped a little pearl in there. If you're going to do a gothic journal, this is absolutely perfect. So this is a brilliant red rose, and I've just got an old bit of jewellery here. So there's an old broken jewellery that I was given, so I've been using lots of bits and pieces out of my pots to dangle down. And here's another one, that's an old bit of earring there. What else have we got? This one here, which is quite nice, it would sit on the corner of the page, and that would dangle from the bottom. And then we've got the beautiful butterflies. So that's a lovely green butterfly, and I've got some lovely green glass beads there to hang off it, so they can just sort of hang however you like. And then we've got a little blue one, and that's got a lovely key and a beautiful turquoise bead in there, stone in there. So I think they look really nice. So they're really easy to do, because all you do, you get your little, say you've got your little butterfly here that you've cut out. I've got this little tiny little hole punch here, so I just punch a little hole in the wing, like that. And then what would we do? We can take a little pearly one, so just use any of your broken jewellery, or if you've got some beads, you can use those. Oopsie daisy, let's take my pliers, just open that up and then just pop it through. Really, really simple. Pop it through like that, and then they just dangle down. So easy peasy, and you can do it before you stick them on as well. So you can just pop it on there and stick them down. They just dangle down, so you can have them all ready to go. And the other thing I wanted to show you was layering them up. So this is one of the flower ones, and then I've also used my embellishment word kit on there as well, and I've added the butterfly. So it comes on both sides, so I thought that was really pretty as well. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So we just take one of our top ones, little flower ones, and we can just stick that on there, and then we can have one of our little word tabs. So let's stick this down. So I'm just using some tacky glue here, so I'm going to just add a little bit to both sides. Very quick and easy, so you can make up a nice little bunch of these to make pop into some journals. So that will just go on there on the top like that. Stick it down, make sure we're level, pretty much level there. And again, you can pop a little bit of cheesecloth underneath that if you wanted to. I'm going to just pop the cheesecloth, I think. Let's have a bless. Let's pop that on there like that. Let's again, I'm going to use this lovely cheesecloth. Okay, just wrinkle it up like that, and then we can just stick that down. I'm going to use a little bit of glue stick just to stick the cheesecloth down, because I find it sticks down really well, and you can sort of like move it about and wrinkle it up and it stays put. and then you would hold it down better with the glue that you stick these on, which is going to be the 3-in-1. So I'm going to use this one. So if I just stick that onto there like that. So that looks nice, doesn't it? So you could just leave it like that, and we pop the lid on so we don't get all messy. And then I can just use, I like this little purple one, I think. Pop him just on the side like that, or wherever, on the top. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? So I'm going to pop a little bit of glue in here, like that. Squiggle it around, and then we could just stick it on here, like this. And then make a lovely, lovely addition to your journals as little journaling cards. You can sort of like journal on the front and the back. I think they look really, really pretty, like that. So those are just a couple of ideas for you. But I do absolutely love these. I think these are absolutely gorgeous with the little dingly danglies on there. And look, this is no necklace, which is absolutely beautiful. And to hang these little glass beads off there would look lovely. So that's a really nice shabby chic one. Also, what I was thinking, you could also sort of like make 2 little holes in here and have something like a chain or some beads to dangle down. I thought that would look really pretty as well, especially on a shabby chic journal. So there's lots and lots of ideas. It's just your imagination. So there we go. That's what I've been up to today. Please do give it a go, and please join my Facebook group, and please post all the little bits that you've made from my kits, because I'd love to see it. And we have some beautiful, really, really talented ladies in the group, and men. So please do join. I'm going to pop the links down below. I hope you're all still tucked up safe at home, and you're all well. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.